Hello, in this short tutorial we're going to show you how to make a registration, okay, to sponsor someone and connect to yourself in Olympia-Lab website. You have login, password, and if you forget the password you have the option to have back the password, but let's see the button register, and you have a form. You must complete this form with your name, last name, family name, email address, phone, country. All the data was mentioned in this form, and you must complete that and save this information. Okay, the login and password you're gonna create, you must save that. It's very important. Save and in a paper or in notes and print that. Yellow button, complete, and you have the pop-up done. After that, you can see some of the information on the back office. But before that, you must confirm your email. So you're gonna click on the button confirm, okay, check the email, and then you switch on your email, few seconds, to have a code. You're gonna receive the email from Olympia-Lab, and this code is available for you and active during 30 minutes. Copy the code. Please don't copy this code because it's a unique code, okay? Copy this code, the code, and your code, and paste. Or put the code, read the code on the space for that, confirm with the yellow button, okay. Then you have this page, okay, to connect a wallet. MetaMask, I don't suggest you to connect MetaMask because you can have same problems of connections. You have a menu, and when you click on news, for example, you come back to this page. So that means you can see some information, but not all the platform. So you have the tutorial how to connect and create a EI wallet to connect on the Olympia-Lab. When you connect the wallet, you have this information. You can use the link from your sponsor directly, okay, and that's done. Or you need to ask him to give you the wallets. Is EIA wallet use? You're gonna copy that, paste, confirm on the yellow or orange button, pop up, okay, and now you have the full connection of the platform. Sometimes you have a special airdrops, so you click on the widget you see on the screen, okay, and you can have some gifts, extra gifts. Now you have the back office. We can switch on menu, news, and as you can see, you have full access of the platform with many important information. I suggest you educational videos, you have that to know and learn how to connect all the different platforms and how to use and manage all that. Why? That's important because you're gonna share this information with your team, okay? Success to all of you. See you.